Well, here's a nice one. Look at here. This is a 2014 Ford F-350 single rear wheel service truck. It's four-wheel drive. It's got alloys. They're probably 17-inch all-terrain TAs that are okay. They're all right. 6.2 liter V8 engine. Extra cab, suicide rear door, manual hubs, floor shift. It's got some fancy digital stuff on the dash, power windows, power locks. Looks like they removed something there, siliconed it up. Looks good. Bucket seats, and then of course this folds down into a center console if desired. It's got power seat on this side, probably not on the other. We'll get there. Door jambs are immaculate. Looks like I might replace a door sill. Box is nap hide, beautiful. Let's see if I can get this to open with one hand. Yeah. Wow. Nice clean box, diamond plate on the top just for prettiness. It's got some sort of a, must have been some sort of a water carrier, probably a little fire retention unit or something for the job site. Nice truck. What a beautiful truck. Here, let's see if it's got power windows or power seats on this side. No power seats on that side. Nice truck. Come check it out. Dorn Brothers Truck Sales, 3130 Portland Road, Salem, Oregon. You can give us a call at 503-585-4731 and talk to Mike or John Dorn. Check us out at our website at dorngooddeal.info. Thanks for looking today. Look forward to talking to you.